What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Mattress Breeze. In this video, I'm going to be giving you some tips and tricks for the SweetNight Twilight Mattress. These tips and tricks are going to help you really get the most use and comfort out of it. Now, before we go any further, I do want to remind you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It helps out the channel a lot. And for your convenience, we have included the links to every product we talk about in this video in the description below, so be sure to check out those links for the latest info on pricing and availability, because this does change from time to time. But with that being said, let's get started. So my first tip for this mattress is to let it air out for a little while before actually using it. The reason for this is because in order to protect the mattress from damage during shipping, and to fit it into a more compact box, it's pretty tightly sealed, so it's going to be a little deflated at first when you open it. Now, it is recommended that you give the mattress around 72 hours to fully expand, but because it's a hybrid mattress with springs at the base, rather than a full foam mattress that's only made of foam and nothing else, you're probably not going to have to wait as long, just because springs tend to keep their original form a little bit better than foam. But regardless, in order to get the maximum longevity and comfort, it is a good idea to wait for at least a little while so the mattress has a chance to fully expand before you use it. My next tip for this mattress is to use a bed frame that can hold it without a box spring. Now, most modern bed frames these days can do this, so you do have a lot of options out there. But the reason it's important to find a bed frame like this is because while box springs can be useful in their own way, in most situations, especially nowadays, it's really more of an unnecessary hassle that makes setting up your bed in general a lot more difficult than it needs to be. Sure, a box spring can be useful if you want to increase the height of your bed or something like that, but in this day and age, with so many bed frames out there that don't need box springs, it's a much easier and more cost-effective option to use one of these. Now, this specific bed frame in the video is the Zionist Tanya platform bed frame. Not only is this bed frame strong and sturdy enough to hold even this mattress that's on the heavier side without a box spring, but it also has a nice stylish wood design and a headboard, which can be really useful as well. My next tip for this mattress is to use a mattress topper. Now, this mattress specifically is pretty soft in general, but the top comfort foam layer isn't quite the thickest. So if you want a little bit more padding and you want a more cushioned texture that's softer and more cloud-like, then a soft mattress topper can really help out with this. This mattress topper in the video is the Tuft & Needle foam mattress topper. This mattress topper is extremely soft. In fact, it's even softer than the comfort foam layer of this mattress itself. It's also not too thick, so you'll be able to add a little bit of extra padding without going too overboard. In addition to this, it has a non-slip base at the bottom, preventing it from moving around when you're lying on it. Overall, if you're looking for something to soften up your mattress, this topper is definitely a great option. My next tip for this mattress is to be sure you're using the right pillows for you. Now, pillows come in all different shapes, sizes, and textures, and different pillows are going to give you completely different experiences with this mattress. Because of this, it's extra important to be sure you have the right pillows that fit your specific preferences. For example, if you want the softest, most plush feeling thing you can possibly find, then these Beckham Hotel Collection pillows that are really soft and fluffy are going to be a great choice for you and will probably go along with the nice plush feeling comfort foam on this mattress. But if you'd prefer something that gives you a little bit more support on your neck and head, then this Coop Home Goods pillow, made of a combination of a down alternative and memory foam that even has extra material to add for more support, might be a better choice for you. Regardless, in order to get the best experience from this mattress, it's important to be aware of your preferences and find a pillow that's right for you. My next tip for this mattress is to be sure to rotate it every so often. Now, this is a hybrid mattress with springs at the base that hold their form a lot more easily than a mattress made entirely of foam, so it's not nearly as crucial, but all the same, rotating a mattress ensures that you're not putting the same pressure on the same spots for a really extended period of time, and it's going to ensure that you get the maximum longevity out of it. Again, this isn't nearly as crucial for a mattress like this as it would be for a full foam mattress, but rotating it every 9 to 12 months or so is a great idea. My next tip for this mattress is to use a mattress bag for transportation. One reason for this is to protect the mattress from damage, and this also goes for storing it, because when you're storing a mattress, it can collect dust, and having a mattress bag is going to protect it from that too. The other reason to use a mattress bag is it makes it so much easier to carry around. This is especially important for a hybrid mattress like this that's on the heavier side. Now for a hybrid mattress, this mattress is a little bit lighter than some others, but it's a lot heavier than a full foam mattress. And since mattresses can be a little awkward to pick up, having a mattress bag with strong handles can make it a lot easier. This specific mattress bag in the video is the MatSafe mattress bag by Nordic Elk. This mattress bag is great because not only does it have a thick tarp-like material to protect the mattress from damage, but it also has really strong durable handles that make it a lot more comfortable to pick up. My next tip for this mattress is to use a taller bed frame. There are two main reasons for this. The first one being, a taller bed frame is going to have more clearance, which gives you more space for storage underneath. Having more storage space underneath is always nice because it helps you free up space in your bedroom or closet and can help you get rid of clutter in general. Another reason to have a taller bed frame is to help match the height of your bed to other furniture in your bedroom, like a nightstand, dresser, or end table. This bed frame not only gives you all the advantages of having a taller bed frame, like clearance and giving you some elevation and all that, but it also has a really simple design that makes it extremely easy to set up and makes it really portable, so if you have to store it, move it somewhere, you don't even need to disassemble it. All you need to do is fold it up and put it away. And to top it all off, this bed frame is also strong enough to hold this mattress without a box spring. Now my final tip for this mattress is to use a mattress cover. Unlike memory foam mattresses that come with covers of some sort, this mattress only has a quilted top to protect it. Now the quilted top does protect the comfort foam underneath from damage, but notice that not only does this not cover the entire mattress, but it's also white, meaning it's super easy to stain. Because of this, if you get a spill or something on it, it's going to be real difficult to clean up and probably cause a bit of trouble. But if you use a mattress cover instead, if you get a spill on that, you can easily take it off, put it in the wash, and put it right back on. Now this specific mattress cover in the video is the SafeRest Mattress Protector. This is probably one of the easiest to use covers out there. Not only does it offer great protection against stains, spills, damage, all that, but it's also machine washable, covers the entire mattress, and goes on just as easily as a fitted sheet. But those were our tips and tricks for the SweetNight Twilight Mattress. Once again, we have included our links to every product we discussed in the video in the description below, so if you want to learn more about any of them, be sure to check out those links for the latest info on pricing and availability, because this does change from time to time. But that's it for this video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and as always, I will see you in the next one.